introducing a smarter way to build and customize selection screens. Until now, every area on a selection screen was invisible, just a clickable zone sitting on top of one shared background. If something didn't fit the event or you needed to change one element, you had to rebuild the entire screen from scratch. That changes today with Area Media. Let's open a selection screen and add an area. When you do, you'll see the new Area Media panel appear. You've got three options. First, select media. Pull from your asset library, from FMLink, or use Create with AI. We'll come back to that one. Second, upload media. Let's pick an image directly. Once it's added, you can drag, resize, and reposition the area however you like. Third, AI generation. This lets you use either AI Draw Me or AI Modify to generate visuals on the spot, right here in the builder. Let's try it. I'll type a prompt, dressed as a queen, and hit generate. Now let's name this area Queen and paste the prompt into the properties, so when a guest taps this option, that prompt gets applied automatically. From here, you can duplicate the area and update the prompt for a completely different style. Let's change this one to superhero. This is useful in two ways. Guests can see exactly what the result will look like before they choose, and you can test how your prompts look without having to set up the booth and run the full workflow. That alone saves a lot of time. Now let's add a background image as the bottom layer, something like a Choose Your Transformation screen. The areas sit on top, fully editable. You can swap them, add more, or adjust them for each event without rebuilding anything from scratch. Let's look at another example, this time for an AI Draw Me selection screen. Same idea, each area is a different prompt, and every visual was generated right from this panel. If you want to tweak something like the AI model, it's just a few clicks. But selection screens aren't only for AI prompts. You can also use them to let guests choose their photo layout. Add your area, select the overlay from the media panel, and position it on screen. Each overlay links to its corresponding layout in the workflow. And finally, a slightly more advanced option, building a fully custom screen using Create with AI. Let's say we want guests to choose between an AI photo or an AI video. Go to Create with AI, describe what you want, and generate. Then you can take that image and turn it into a looping animation. Save it to your folder, and close. Select it, and it's applied to the area on your screen. Now let's create the second area for AI video. Same process, just a different prompt. That's it. Building custom selection screens has never been this fast or this flexible. Give it a try in FMX Cloud today.